Hello student, I am back with question number 25, that is write a program to input principal and time and consider the rate as per the given table and calculate simple interest and amount. Student, table is given here. If the time is 1 year, the rate will be 5% per annum. If time is 2 year, rate will be 6% per annum. If time is 3 years, rate will be 7% per annum. If time is 4 years, rate will be 8% per annum. If time is 5 years, rate will be 9% per annum. And if the time is above 5 year, means 6 year, 7 year, 8 year, 9 year, 10 year, the rate will be 10% per annum. So here is the solution of your question, your program. I'm explaining it, try to understand. Student, we have to input principal and time. Therefore, so to input, we need to import the scanner class. For that, we have to write import space java.util.scanner. Class interest, method to find SI and amount, void display. We have to create the scanner object, that is scanner SCR equal to new scanner system.in. We have to input two things, that is principal and time. Okay. So system.out.println enter principal and time. We will store principal in P and we will store time in T. Int P equal to SCR.nextInt, int T equal to SCR.nextInt. Okay. We will take a variable R to store the rate of interest. Okay. We will take a variable of SI to store simple interest and amount. Students, we know simple interest may come in decimal value, that's why it is taken in double, and if the SI will be in decimal, the amount obviously it will also in decimal, therefore SI and amount will be taken in double. So student, this question we have to solve using switch case. Therefore, I'm giving you example with the current value. Let's principal will be 1000. Suppose principal is rupees 1000 and time is 2 years. So according to question, what will be the rate? So according to question, for time 2 years, rate will be 6%. Let's check this program will give 6% rate or not. So P equal to 1000, T equal to 2 years. We will put the T inside a switch, therefore the expression of switch will be 2 because value of T time is 2. So expression of switch will be 2, therefore it will compare this value with the case constant 1, it is not matched. Again it will match with case number 2, a match is found, therefore this line will be executed. R equal to 6, and the break statement and the break keyword, it is used as the terminator of switch. Therefore this break will transfer the control outside the switch. The control will moves out the switch. This is the switch block. So control will transfer from here to outside of the switch block. So here we have P, we have T, and we have rate also. So we can find simple interest, that is P into R into T by 100.0. We will get SI, and AMT, that is amount equal to P plus SI. We will print simple interest equal to SI and amount equal to amount. Take one more example. One more time. Okay. So let's principal will be 10,000. This time it is 10,000. And time is equal to 5 years. So what should be the rate? According to question, for 5 years time, rate will be 9%. Let's check using the program, rate is comes out as 9% or not. Okay. So P equal to SCR.nextInt, we have entered 10,000. Time T equal to SCR.nextInt, we have entered 5. We will put the T inside switch. Therefore, the expression of switch is same as the expression of T, that is 5. This time, case number 1 will not match, 2 will not match, 3 will not match, 5 will not match. This time, the value of switch expression will match with the case constant number 5. And case constant number 5, R is equal to 9. Therefore, this line will execute R equal to 9 and brake will transfer the control outside the if. Here we have come. Okay, so we have P, we have time, and we have now rate also 9. Therefore, P into R into T by 100. We will find the SIN amount and print it. Take one more example. This time principal will be the same, 10,000. Okay, time is equal to suppose 15 years. Time is equal to 15 years. Put the T in switch. The value of switch will be 15 because value of T is 15. Okay. So this time case 1 will not match, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All the cases will not match with the switch expression. The value of the switch expression, that is 15. So this time what happens? The default will execute when all the case constant does not match with the switch expression, with the value of switch expression. In that time default will be executed. Okay, so this time case number 1 to 5 will not match with the value of switch expression, that is 15. This time the default will execute, and in default the rate is given 10%. According to question, above 5 years is 10% per annum, so rate will come 10. So default is the end of switch. From here we will come out here and we will calculate the SIN amount, and this way we will calculate simple interest and amount, and we will print simple interest and amount. So students, this is very easy question, very easy solution. You try to solve question number 23, 24 and 26. It's very easy. Okay, in my next video I will explain the next topic of switch, that is fall through property. Students, you are not watching the videos since seriously, so it's my request, go through each video and learn all the topic that I have taught in my previous videos. Okay, go through each video. You will get all the information of nested if, you will get all the information of switch. Okay, and one more thing students, don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you, bye bye.